Jerry Mboweni here, certified life coach, NLP practitioner, author of the book called 11:59:59, an ex-junk's last minute victory, a drug counselor and a fitness trainer. So that's in a nutshell who I am. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to speak how to restore relationship while you recover. How to restore relationship while you recover. So how did I come to this topic is that for those who know me, I do lectures in a different rehab center, and one particular day I was having a free talk, so I would pick the topic from the clients who are in recover, and I asked them, what do you want me to speak about? And this particular person say, speak restoration. How will I restore my relationship with the loved ones while I am in recover? So this is what I'm going to speak. But if you listen until here, I've got a gift for you. If you listen until the end of this video, I've got a gift for you. So listen until the end of the video. As always, I've got a gift that I'm going to give to you. And for those who are claiming their gift, thank you very, very much for always coming and claiming your gift. So let's go and talk about what I'm going to talk about today. It's vital to restore relationship. Remember, while we were using drugs, with some of us or majority of us, if you are crossed the line and you are now an addict, majority of us, we have burnt the bridges, we have break restoration, we have lied to cover up our addiction, and we have done all of those things, manipulate people and all of those kind of things. So while you in recover now, you wanted to restoration, you wanted to restore the trust, because the trust is now broken. So the first thing what you're gonna do, as I wrote it down here, let your actions speak. If necessary, use words. So majority of the time when we in recover, we got our couple of days around our back. We want to speak, yeah, I'm doing well, I'm doing this. So if you want to restore relationship, let your behavior speak. If necessary, words. So you don't have to tell them, but let your behavior speak. And that's why it's very important to work on yourself, to work on your communication, to work on your personal development, to work on your mental strength, to work on your beliefs about God and structures. It's very important so that you have behavior. When people, for example, me, I meet with a lot of people that they relate, say, hey, when they meet me, they are happy to see me, and they say I'm clean and blah, blah, blah. They give me a lot of story, but I'm like, hey, show me. Don't tell me, show me. Don't tell the people that you want to recover. Don't tell the people that you're doing better. Show them. It's very important to show them. The first thing, so let your behavior speak. That will restore relationship. Number two, expect nothing too soon. Expect nothing too soon. So majority of the time that once we're doing great, we start pick a little bit of weight, we start now feeling better, we expect too soon to our family. Allow me to explain this. Allow me to share this true story. So, sorry about that. Let me drink my Monster. So, one of these gentlemen come to me after he's been 6 months clean, and he come and complain. He say, "Hey, you know what, Jerry? I'm gonna stop doing this thing, man. Don't feel like doing this thing. Why am I doing this thing? Nobody believe me." And he said, my family, they don't still believe me, man. They treat me like I'm still smoking and all those kind of stories. And they say, man, how long did you use drugs? And he said, I used drugs for 23 years. And I asked him, how long have you been clean? He said, 6 months. I said to him, give your family 23 years to trust it. You see, we because we have lied a lot. We have showed them a lot that we have changed and stuff like this. So at the beginning, don't blame them if they don't believe what you're doing. But you're going to have, I always say to myself, when the people, time will tell. You stick with it. You just keep on doing. Majority of people, and these people don't trust them. Our family member don't trust them. And we go and show them and say, oh, you don't trust me, I don't smoke. I'm going to show you now I'm going to smoke. That is crazy. That is addiction is all about. So look, don't expect too much too soon. Another story is that I actually shoot a video to say, when we ask for forgiveness but not to be forgiven, the problem is that we think that when we ask for forgiveness, these people will forgive us. So I don't expect too soon. And I'll share another, this gentleman was in 26 alcoholic. He came to our program. if you got the program like us, we give different lecture, different topic. So particular person were giving topic about forgiveness, and he said, you know what, I'm gonna go ask forgiveness for my daughter. His two teenagers daughter, 18 and 16. And remember, he drank for 26 years. So while he was alcoholic in different stage of his addiction, he had this kid. So this kid, they experience his dad all the time in different stage of addiction. In fact, addiction also they got stages. I've shot a video. If you haven't, just check in my other video on this stage of addiction. So he went home, and he called to his daughter and he said, hey, I want to come to ask for forgiveness. Daddy's doing recover now. And remember, this is first time he did that. He's been stop and go for this 26 years. Stopped 6 months, 4 months, and then he drink again. So now he's in recover. Now he do things right way. And he go back to his daughter and he say, please, forgive me. Ask for forgiveness. His two teenager daughter. You know what they do? They look at him, they say, no, what forgiveness? And they walk away. They reject his apology. And this man came the next day to the program. He was very down. He said, no, Jerry, man, I feel down today. I feel quitting all of these things. And they said, what's the problem? And he said, because I've asked my daughters for forgiveness. I pour my heart to them. And this is the response that I get. I say, remember, you forgot this principle. Your job is to ask for forgiveness, not to be forgiven. Give them time. Give them enough time. So do your part. So don't expect anything too soon. The third thing that you need to do to restore to trust, to restore relationship with the family member or the loved one while you recover, take responsibility for your action and make amends. Take responsibility for your action and make amends. What do I mean by saying that? So, for example, if you have stolen, take responsibility. Say, I've stolen the kettle, I'm going to pay. But current moment I'm in recovery. I don't have money to pay, but I will start. Even if you don't have to say that. Even if you don't have to say, I got a lot of complaining. The people who are in recovery and at home, they don't take responsibility. They don't do things for the family. They don't, even some of them, they don't even contribute. They don't even, I'm not talking about money because majority of them, while you're in recovery, don't have, but contribute to your time. Do something at home. Clean windows, clean the car, do the garden, whatever it is. Make amendment, but take responsibility to repay back. If you cannot repay back in cash now for what you have done, repay back in time and in kind. Repay back in time and kind. Started doing things around the house. Start doing things around the home. Or if for those some people, they are not stay with the family, but do think of take responsibility, because majority of the time, once we know why we were addict, we like, I was there addict. Take responsibility for what you've done. Start by paying back also with time. Number 4, that will help us. So the first one is let your words, let your actions speak. Don't expect anything too soon. Take responsibility and keep the first one. Keep your words. Keep your words. What if you say A? If you say A, do A. This is the first thing, because majority of the time we've been lied to them. We've lied to them. We're going to do this thing, but we don't do. So the best restoration, if you say I'll be here 8 o'clock, be 8 o'clock. Try your best. If you can't, phone them before the time, but do whatever the best. Everything. Remember, in our addiction, our word was not matched with our action. We need to match our word with our action. So those are the first 4 tips that can be able to restore your relationship with your loved one while you're in recovery. I hope this video has helped you. And if you listen until here, once again, I'm a certified life coach, NLP practitioner, author of the book 115959. I actually live in the street for 1.5 years, a beggar. I'm currently going to for 19 years clean. Praise God for that. I've lived my description in my description box down below. I've lived little bit story of my life. So, and if you listen until here, thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that subscription button box below and hit that notification button. So every time I upload the video, you'll be the first one to notify. And please share this video to as wide as possible so that we can grow this channel. And here's the gift for you. You're welcome to book for free 30 minutes online for a life coaching session. 30 minutes online, free. or for a life coaching session. So thank you very much. God bless. Until we meet again. Peace. Bye for now.